Okay, so I'm in the South Mountains. I'm getting ready to test my camera on a stick. As you can see, I'm holding that stick. And right now the camera's about 6 or 7 feet away from me. What am I using here? It is a golf retriever, thing you retrieve a golf ball with. And I took a piece of these foam rubber noodles to swim with. And I cut a chunk of it off. Take a picture of this later. And I took a little old tripod and stuck it down inside this foam rubber noodle. So we're going to see how this works when I swing it out over a waterfall. How you guys doing? How are you? Testing my little camera here. In case you're wondering just how far I can go with the stick, I'm pretty far out here on this. You can see the birds a little bit. This is one of my favorite places in North Carolina. See why. So we're going to the high shoal falls way up there. I may as well shoot a little bit of the trail just so you see what it's like to climb up through here. I'm still on the stick. Maybe it'll take a little bit of my jerkiness out of the walk. To this, you got to climb a long way, and it's a challenge. First time I did it, I probably weighed 370 pounds. Almost killed me. Now I can pretty much prance up it. So, I won't say prance. I can definitely take it on up through here pretty well though. So, if you're coming to South Mountain State Park, thinking because they're small mountains, it's going to be a wussy hike, you got another thing coming. It's a tough hike. Very vertical in places. And we got pretty good ways to go here. So I'm going to shut off. Next stop will be at High Shoals Falls. Okay, I'm going to use my pole cam here in a minute to show you some views most of you may not have seen of High Shoals Falls. I'm standing here on the platform. Most people are used to seeing what's behind me here, but we're going to stretch out about 12 feet. See what we can see out over the overlook here, over the platforms. gone straight to the top, and we're on this little place that's kind of like a shelf up here on at the top of the falls. There's a couple of smaller falls below it, so it drops off real steeply here. I'm going to go back down a little bit and we'll take a look at that and I'll show you what I'm talking about. This area here is one of the small falls. That's probably only about 3.5 feet. Down below it here though, falls off, I'm guessing about 6 or 7 feet. Let's take a look at that one. And I'm walking along the railing area here. I'm thinking about stepping down there and shooting some right down here around the pool. Do a few photos down there. I'm doing a handheld shot now. Up there's where I was. That's the High Shoal Falls up there. So that's a little view of where I climbed to. I was at probably 100 or so feet above that too. I'm back down here where the really pretty falls are again. And these are huge boulders here. To give you some perspective, that waterfall is there to the right. Probably falling about 10 or 11 feet, maybe 12 feet. So you see these are big falls here. Big boulders. And this is what I look like after hiking up in there. It is brutal, that climb. And yeah, I'm sweaty like crazy. So you have to be fairly fit to make it to the top. Of course I am still overweight, kind of heavy. But that's a challenge. It's fun. Fun challenge, absolutely beautiful. I'm running out of daylight. Don't know what time it exactly is. It's getting late. So I guess I better trek it back to the car. I think the park closes at 8 o'clock. Beautiful, cool place though. South Mountain State Park. And these waterfalls and all here are just gorgeous.